It's okay here also. We have our things, na? Chalega. So I came with Sir Birzu to enjoy Domino's.
Now let's see what do we have here. This is a new basil pesto dip. It's new, she said.
Okay.
This is this classic cheesy dip. Then we have stuffed garlic bread.
I don't know much. He will explain.
I've ordered for 2 taco Mexicano. One for you and one for me.
Okay.
I don't like to share this one. This is really tasty, really tasty.
Okay.
Now and then classic onion pizza.
Pizza.
Yeah.
Open. What is there inside? Wow. So gonna enjoy
Should I
this.
open this one for you?
Just let's have a look. I'm not so big fan, so this is his special.
Yes. And my special, the one that I order every time I come here.
And that is what?
This is stuffed garlic bread.
Okay. Yes. Yeah. So you close break that one. You will start from this.
No, you start from this one.
Okay. Yeah. ठीक है. Domino's. This is what you can see on top is just an onion.
Yeah, it says this Pizza Mania thing.
So Sar is a big fan of Domino's, so I came along with him. Yeah, see, that is how they have to eat. Okay. How is it? See, he's enjoying.
Even though this one is 79, I think. Still, pizza is pizza.
Pizza is pizza. Okay, pizza is pizza. So, let me also try. Okay.
So here it is. Let me also put.
What is this?
Oregano.
Oregano. What name is this? That's Pepsi, na?
Yeah.
Pepsi.
I wanted Mirinda.
No, it's fine. Pepsi. Started pouring Pepsi, na?
Yes.
It's Pepsi. Wow. Pepsi. Not now. Let's finish this. I really don't know, na? Once we went to Pizza Hut, na? We did not enjoy much.
Pizza is really costly.
Costly, and it was not tasty also.
Basically, right now we are having 400 per person. And Pizza Hut, man, is so costly.
The taste is different.
Taste, everything is different. Pizza, it is costly, but taste is really good.
But they use the same base, na?
Their one is more crispy and really good. And cheesy inside. What we are having right now is just bun and bread. But their one, it will be really cheesy. They'll put everything extra. And this one we can ask them to put extra cheese. Or that would have taken 50 rupees extra.
Not bad. Not bad. You should come and try. Still enjoying. If you want his number, you can ask from me.
Oh my god, no. I don't share my age and number. Now it's time for garlic breadstick. Nice. Sorry about that. We have basil dip. New one. This cheesy one is also really nice. It's all cheese. I love it. You want to have a taste?
Eat this. I'm still enjoying this.
Oh God. She gave me this one. Stuffed garlic breadstick.
I don't know what is that.
The normal garlic breadstick is normal. This one is stuffed with oregano, your corn, and all this small things. No? I don't actually like this one, but it's fine. Nice. You should try. Taco Mexicano non-veg.
Taco Mexicano non-veg.
Yeah.
Let's try taco Mexicano. Oh, very crispy, huh?
Here is my special.
That is mixing nicely. It will go in one shot. No.
Yes.
It's heaven, now. It's heaven. Oh, fantastic. Look at sir. Couscous.
That meat now.
Very happy, very happy.
This meat inside is really nice. I really love it. This crispiness and this one. Voila.
Voila, voila. Nice. So far from Domino's, I love these tacos. Non-veg inside.
Actually, no. That veg.
So friends, it's done. I finished this too. The last piece. The best one. Yeah. This two. And garlic half. My God. Stomach is full. No more dinner. This is the dinner. It's over. I overhad it. That's all I can say. I enjoyed. Yeah.
Everything is done.
Close this also. It will look plenty.
Yeah. Wait now. I have to surprise her. See, this is why I always keep one piece before I eat everything. One piece of pizza. So that
What is the reason?
because
Reason
not
behind?
enough. I'm sorry.
Reason behind?
So that when I feel like I'm not satisfied, I still have one piece left. No? Out of that pizza.
Okay.
So this is where I finish my. I start my pizza and end my pizza.
Okay, that's great.
Nice.
So the last touch. The last touch.
It's a little bit warm.
For me, it's over. Really, I overate it.
Never over it.
But it's okay, once a while. It's fine. So,
Eating yourself is really good. Huh?
we are treating ourselves towards the end of this month. We can say Advanced Republic Day. Huh? Okay, so how many packets we have completed? Let's see. We are a fighter. What do you think? Can you all challenge us with this? Can you eat the same? If
They won't be
you
able to.
give comment and you tell us the date, the time, we will come and have competition here. Yeah. Oh yes, see? What a combination. Are you satisfied? Yes.
Full.
Full. So thank you. If you like it, do like, subscribe my channel and share it with your friends.